Today we're going over our top 5 patios, handcrafted out of ARTO's concrete. First on our list of patios, this home in La Jolla has ARTO everywhere. It's on the pool deck, on the upper deck. What makes it up is pattern San Felipe, which works by itself, and the Eye of Felipe, which works by itself. And together they make the pattern 5B. And the color we're showing it in here in this backyard is in Spanish Kado, a mainstay for us in color. And like that palm tree of Southern California, it is who we are. You also see the same product and shape going into the house, but not in concrete, but in our high fire terracotta. This next project is 11A in Creme Fraiche. I love 11A Creme Fraiche. It's a very textured product. You're not gonna fall on your ass on this patio because it's got small tiles and rough texture, and it's already pre-aged. Part of the mystique of the ARTO is that it's uniquely a fingerprint of that moment in time for this home. It looks beautiful. It'll only get better with time. This next project is 2C in Magnolia Blend. You'll have charcoal gray mixed with hacienda. And what a great combination of the cream soft colors with the modern cool colors, and it makes this patio sing. So this is a typical LA backyard, lots of house, very little backyard, but this designer made it feel homey with the products they use and the finishes they use. Spectacular project. This next project is 8C in Normandy Cream. This Normandy Cream job is what I dream about. The color movement on this is spectacular. The small size is wonderful, and the steps are great. And on this job here, we also have our California Revival decos. Pulling back on this job farther, you can see that this is actually a personal patio just for the master. This is romantic. I mean, how can you get around it? It's just a peaceful location. I'm moving in. And finally, on this patio, it's old school. 12 by 12s, Spanish Kado, but they made it work. They've got it for a common area for a place with a fireplace and a table. They've got walkways. It all sings, hey, I've been here for 120 years and it's a home and not a house. 12 by 12 Spanish Kado, we've been making it since I was a little boy. It is a staple for us. They use decos, but they knew how to use it in the right amount. They're not across the whole runner. They used it sparingly, showing enough glazed tile to pop, but not showing off the wealth of the owner. It was a very subdued product. I like it. This is something very homey. The whole backyard is very homey. Like these patios? Want more? Subscribe.